diesel or biofuel? This is a question we hear frequently from industrial operators across the UAE and the wider GCC. Working closely with fleets, generator operators, construction companies, and industrial facilities, one reality is very clear to us at Biofuel Plus. Diesel remains the backbone of industry. It powers fleets, generators, heavy machinery, marine vessels, and industrial equipment because it is reliable, widely available, and proven in harsh operating conditions. At the same time, decision makers are facing growing pressure. Sustainability targets, fuel efficiency expectations, rising operating costs, and ESG reporting requirements are all increasing. So the real question becomes this: what is the actual difference between diesel and biofuel? And can biofuel work in real industrial environments? Let's break this down in clear and practical terms, based on what we see on site every day. Diesel earned its position in industry for very specific reasons. It delivers high energy output for demanding workloads. It provides stable performance in extreme heat and heavy-duty cycles, and it is fully compatible with existing engines, storage, and infrastructure. However, in long-running industrial operations, we also see the limitations of diesel-only usage. Fuel consumption increases over extended operating hours. Carbon deposits affect injectors and combustion efficiency, and there is increasing scrutiny around emissions, sustainability, and net zero commitments. For most businesses we work with, the challenge is not replacing diesel overnight. The real challenge is making diesel work better. When we talk about biofuel in industry, we are not talking about consumer vehicles or experimental alternatives. In real-world industrial terms, biofuel solutions are designed to work with the diesel engines already in operation. From our experience, these solutions fall into two main categories. First, ready-to-use biodiesel blends such as B5, B7, or B20. Second, bioenergy enhancers that optimize how diesel behaves during combustion. The objective is very clear: improve fuel efficiency, support cleaner combustion, reduce overall diesel consumption, and maintain reliability and uptime. Anything that disrupts operations simply does not work in industrial environments. Let's look at what actually makes a difference on site. 1. Fuel behavior and combustion. With conventional diesel, combustion is efficient, but over time, especially in high-load or stop-start operations, carbon deposits build up. With biofuel solutions, we see improved combustion quality. Fuel burns more completely and more cleanly. This directly affects injector cleanliness, engine smoothness, and long-term reliability. 2. Compatibility with existing engines. Downtime is one of the biggest concerns industrial operators raise. Traditional diesel is fully compatible, but it does not improve how engines age. Industrial biofuel solutions, when designed correctly, integrate seamlessly with existing engines. There is no engine modification and no operational disruption. This is especially critical for generators, fleets, and marine operations where uptime is non-negotiable. 3. Fuel efficiency and consumption. With diesel-only usage, fuel efficiency depends heavily on engine condition and operating environment. With biofuel-enhanced diesel or biodiesel blends, engines are able to extract more usable energy from each liter of fuel. Over time, this leads to reduced diesel consumption, with a direct and measurable impact on operating costs. 4. Emissions and sustainability. Conventional diesel produces higher levels of carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulates. Biofuel solutions support lower emissions output and help organizations move forward on ESG and sustainability goals. For UAE-based businesses, this also supports alignment with Net Zero 2050 without requiring disruptive operational change. At Biofuel Plus, our philosophy is simple. We do not ask industries to abandon diesel. We help them optimize it. Developed and supplied in the UAE, our solutions are built specifically for commercial and industrial operations that need performance, reliability, and compliance. The options we see working in industry include Biofuel Plus B100, a high-purity bioenergy enhancer used in small quantities with diesel to improve combustion behavior, support injector cleanliness, and enhance fuel efficiency. BFP Premium EN590, predominantly diesel with a small portion of our proprietary bioenhancer, containing a biodiesel percentage of 1 to 2%. It is supplied and used exactly like standard diesel. BFP Premium B5, B7, and B20. finished biodiesel fuels with varying blend levels, allowing operators to select the balance that fits their performance and sustainability requirements. All solutions are ECAS compliant, independently tested, and fully compatible with existing diesel infrastructure. So, diesel or biofuel? In reality, this is rarely an either-or decision.
What most industrial operators need is a fuel strategy that works with existing engines, improves efficiency without risk, supports sustainability goals, and makes commercial sense today.
Diesel will continue to power industry for years to come. The more important question is how efficiently and responsibly it is being used. By integrating renewable biofuel solutions that enhance diesel performance rather than disrupt operations, industries across fleets, power generation, construction, marine, and heavy equipment can move forward with confidence. That is not theory, it is what we see working every day in real industrial environments. For more information on how bio-enhanced diesel fits real industrial operations, visit our website using the link in the description below. If you find this content useful, subscribe to the channel for more industry-focused insights.